y'all, this is Zachary. Welcome to Burnt Down's Country Kitchen. Today, we're gonna get after something so delicious. If you like spicy, if you like chicken, you're gonna love this meal. Nashville hot chicken sandwich. Nashville hot chicken melt is what I'm gonna do with some Texas toast. It just sounds good, doesn't it? All right, y'all, enough of that. Let's get to these ingredients. All right, you will need some flour. I don't have it out because I'm not ready for it yet. Got a bunch of ingredients here. I got some paprika, some garlic powder, some chipotle chili powder. I got some cayenne, some red pepper flakes, some salt and some pepper, some brown sugar. Of course, I got my chicken. I got my Texas toast for my melt. I'll also use some cheese and some other things as we go along. Some flour, but that's enough to get us started, y'all. Let's get after this food. Okay, let's go ahead and get our buttermilk going here. I'm just using one piece of chicken. That'll be plenty. Of course, you're gonna want your favorite hot sauce. This is Frank's. They do not sponsor me at all. So you want 1/4 cup of hot sauce, and then you're gonna do paprika, salt, and pepper to taste for this. Paprika, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, a little more pepper, a little more salt. All right. And just for kicks, I'm gonna go ahead and throw a little bit of chili flake in there as well. Why not, right? Give this just a little mix here. Yeah, buddy, look at that. Looks good already, doesn't it? All right, set that aside. We're gonna get our chicken here. Now look, typically I would say use chicken thigh. It's not what I had. I'm using chicken breast. It'll be all right. But I gotta flatten this bad boy. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. All right, now I got this beaten to death. Go ahead and get my buttermilk back here. Go ahead and dip it in there. And I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit in the fridge for about 4 hours while I go exercise. That's why I started early, y'all. All right, got a bunch of stuff to do, and then let this soak, and we'll be back. Go ahead and get you a cup or so of flour, and then you're gonna need another one or so in another bowl that's separate. So in this one, we're gonna go ahead and do some salt and some pepper to taste. There's a little garlic powder. Again, this is all to taste. Got some paprika. Be good there, wouldn't it? Get this mixed up. Get that set aside. Got our other flour over here. And first, I got 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes and cayenne pepper. 1 teaspoon of chipotle chili sauce. Chili sauce. It's not sauce. What am I saying? Get this mixed up. Go ahead and put a little salt and pepper in here. There we go. Okay, next you want to throw in some water. It could be carbonated. I don't have any, but it can be regular water too, it doesn't matter. Just go little by little. Get our wet batter going here. You always go little by little. I tell you guys all the time. You can always put more in, but you can't take more out. And we're looking for a good like pancake kind of batter consistency. Okay, so I got my oil at the temp. Get my chicken here. It's been soaking for hours in that buttermilk mixture we did. We're going to throw that in here. Let's see. Go ahead and dab it in there. Nice and powdered up. Don't worry about your hands. Don't worry about your counter. It'll be all right. All right, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put it into here. This batter. Get it all mixed in there nice. Like I said, don't worry about your hands now. It'll be all right. And it's going back into the flour mixture we got here. Pat it down, make sure it's good and covered. Okay, next you're gonna, when you lay it in, lay it away from your person because you do not want to get fried, right? This thing's trying to fall apart on me. All right, here we go. Let that do its thing. Let's make this Nashville hot sauce. All right, let's get after this Nashville hot barbecue sausage. All right, so I got 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, pretty much what I put into the flour mixture, which you don't have to put that in the flour mixture. I was just trying to keep the same flavor profile. Got a teaspoon of chipotle. Now this is paprika, but still a teaspoon. And then this is a teaspoon of, let's see, it's cayenne pepper, chipotle chili, and red chili pepper flakes. Because it's gonna be hot. Make sure you got a good bowl because the next step is gonna be hot. Which is basically a cup of that really hot oil that we just fried that chicken in. Just like that. A nice stir. And that is our sauce. Oh, put a little bit of garlic powder in there as well. Teaspoon. About forgot. So anytime everybody does this, they always do it on like a brioche bun or something, which awesome. But for me, I got me some Texas toast. I'm gonna do a patty melt style. How about that? Yeah. So I got my chicken here, got my sauce, stir it back up again real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and drench this bad boy. It's beautiful sauce. Look at that. Flip it over. Look, you want to dig in there and get that, all that seasoning. Man. Tell you what, I am looking forward to this thing. And most people do it with chicken thighs, which you can do. But that's not what I had. So that's not what I did. Man, doesn't that look good? All right, y'all, it's that time again. Like, share, subscribe, and view. Watch the shows when they come out. It helps me out a lot. Enough of the business. Let's get after this Nashville hot chicken sandwich. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just freshen it up a little bit with this. After all, why not? There we go. I'm gonna keep this pretty simple. Got my cheese. Gotta have cheese. I have my pickles on here. All right, gonna put my lid on. There we have our Nashville hot chicken melt. Not bad. Can you see it? Come on. Now let's make this thing official. It's big. Here's our Nashville hot chicken sandwich. Is that not great? Man. Go ahead and do us a taste test, huh? Look at that. Mmm. That is good. Y'all got it right in Nashville. That is good. It's really not even spicy for me. So I'm used to jalapenos on everything I eat and everything else. It's good though. All right, y'all, that's gonna do it for me. This is my lunch. I'm looking forward to getting after this. Make something, make anything. Make a Nashville hot chicken sandwich. Even do it melt style, why not, right? All right, y'all, I'm gonna get after this. Again, I hope you liked it. Till next time.